In this guide, I'll show you how to auto-scan or rescan antenna or digital cable channels and get local channels from broadcasters on your Hisense Google TV 4K. First of all, make sure that the antenna cable is connected to your TV properly. Now to scan for channels, you can simply press the Live TV button on your Hisense TV remote, or if you don't have it, then just go to the Live TV input. Then you'll need to press Scan. From here, either select antenna or cable if you have any cable subscription. We're going to select cable. Now you'll have to wait patiently until the scan reaches 100%. When it's finished, you can press Done, and now you'll have access to all the channels on your Hisense Google TV. To open the channel guides and view the list, just press the TV button again, and this will open the guide for you. You can also access the scanned channels if you go to the Live tab and then go down to Tuner. In case if you want to rescan the channels, then to do that, you'll need to open All Settings, then Channels and Inputs, Channels, then hit Auto Channel Scan. And as you can see, this will clear your current channels, so you can start afresh by hitting Start. And that's how you can scan for antenna or digital channels on your Hisense Google TV. So, make sure to drop a like, subscribe to our channel, and enjoy.